Welcome to episode 2 of Learning LLMs Together. Have you wondered why ChatGPT sometimes gives you nonsense answers and other times great responses? It's all about the prompt. A prompt is what you tell the AI or technically the LLM to do. It can be a question, a command, a half sentence, a paragraph, or a file. But why should you care about this? So, when you give a prompt to LLM, it starts predicting the next word, token by token. We learned this in the previous video. It has no memory of you, no knowledge of your intent. The more clues and details you give, the less the AI has to guess. The less guessing it does, the better the answer. So, how do you write a better prompt then? Let's start with some basic steps. First is instruction. What do you want it to do? Be clear about your intent. Second is context. What should it consider while giving an answer? Give the information it should know to work on the instruction. Third is format. How should the response look? Is there a limit or an audience you want to focus on? For example, this is a prompt which is quite vague. But when you add details and intent to it, it becomes clear and sharper for LLM to work with. You are not making the AI smarter. You are just being clearer. That's all prompting is. Now let's look at some powerful ways you can prompt an AI. First is role-based prompting. Here you tell the AI to act like someone. It adjusts its tone and explanations accordingly. Then persona or tone control. You specify how it should talk and what kind of answers it should give. Then, step by step prompts. You break the task into stages here. This gives you more control and avoids one giant unpredictable output. Few short examples. You show the AI what you want by giving a few examples. It learns the patterns from your examples and follows it. You can combine all these techniques too. For example, this prompt uses role-based tone control and step-by-step prompting together. If you're just starting out with prompting, don't stress about the terms like chain of thought or few shot. Just ask, what do I want? What does it need to know? And how should the answer look like? So next time ChatGPT gives you weird or lazy answer, pause. Don't just blame the AI. Blame the prompt too and work on it. I'll see you in the next video.